healthy nails, I have a solution for you. Today, I will share a simple recipe using 3 common ingredients that will bid farewell to nail fungus and welcome back beautiful, healthy nails. To start, you will need 4 cloves of garlic. Peel them and finely grate them. Garlic is known for its antifungal properties and will be your secret weapon against fungus. Next, add a teaspoon of baking soda to the mix. Baking soda helps neutralize the environment, making it less favorable for fungi to thrive. Lastly, pour in 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Vinegar not only adds a tangy twist, but also possesses antimicrobial properties. Before applying this magical mixture, give your hands a pampering warm salt water soak for 10 minutes. This will not only cleanse your hands, but also prepare your nails for the battle against fungus. After soaking, generously apply the garlic baking soda vinegar concoction to your affected nails. To lock in the potent blend, wrap each treated finger with plastic wrap. Now the big question is, when is the best time for you to try this remedy? Are you more inclined towards the brisk morning, the bustling afternoon, or the tranquil night? Please drop a comment and share your nail fungus woes, and I will provide you with a tailored recipe catering to your specific needs. Remember, this natural remedy is your ticket to saying goodbye to nail fungus and hello to nails you can confidently flaunt. Are you tired of dealing with nail fungus and longing